Hey there, welcome back. So in this video we will cover a small little thing which I missed from the last video. So in here, if I check the person.java file, in here we have two constructors. First one is the default constructor, second one is the parameterized constructor. Now friends, usually if we are handling the constructor part and there are few properties which needs to be initialized, the best idea is to skip the default constructor, and as soon as I do that, now it becomes mandate to initialize the object with the specific values which are there in the constructor. So we need to pass in the name, age and gender of the person in order to initialize the object. And in here Eclipse has started giving us like issue, and the issue is valid because there is no default constructor. So let us get rid of it. Alright, so this was the thing which we have missed, and now we have added a yet another restriction that we need to and we have to initialize the object with these three values which are name, age and gender. So this is it. Moving forward, do check our discount section. Moreover, you can also make use of coupon code Study Easy to get our other courses at the lowest prices on Udemy. Alright, so this is it. This is Chand from Study Easy. Take care and have a nice day.